Hello guys, how are you doing? Here I'm going to do another review for the last trades in VVS Academy and the VVS Academy signals. This is the group. We are going to be reviewing the past trades. Some of them I already showed you how we played them, and well, let's see how the other trades went. So here we have a gold buy. Let's check the analysis. You can see that we had a very good Elliott wave structure here, and after counting our first wave inside of a fifth bigger wave, we were expecting this to catch the third wave going up to around 1851 for gold. So this trade, as you can see here, is still running. This is a kind of a swing trade because it takes days to develop. As you can see right now, this trade is running 3 risk to reward ratio, and we expect this to hit these levels and giving us around almost 7 risk to reward ratio. The base and the fundamental structure of this trade is based on Elliott waves, as you can see here. Well, so far it's working pretty good. Let's check another trade. For example, we have here a Euro USD Buy. This trade didn't actually went as I was expecting. Let's go and look. Okay, I don't have the markout here, but you can see here that I have my entry at around 1.14208, and this is the 15th of July. So let's go to 15th of July here. The entry was given at this level. I was expecting price to respect this important area here, but well, we got stopped here, and this trade we lost 1 risk to reward ratio and pretty much 30 pips, which is okay. Of course, not every trade is going to be a winner trade, and we don't expect to, because if not, we would be managing the forex market. Basically nothing is 100% in forex. Let's check another trade. We have a SPX 500 scalp here. As you can see, we were expecting a bounce at around this level, 3,200. This scalp went pretty well. The idea behind this is that we had a market structure here. We have a consolidation area. Market maker took sell side liquidity, shoot up, and the next liquidity area, as you can see, is above these highs. So when price came back and returned to this last manipulation, this last grab of liquidity, price shoot up again, taking out those highs, and well, then it continued doing another type of structure. But well, the idea of this trade was this one, and we hit 4.67 risk to reward ratio. In dollars, this is a move of about $10 for SPX 500. Let's go on to the next trade. Okay, this is the Gbp Usd trade that I already reviewed in the previous video. This UF30 sell, which I also reviewed on the previous video. Let's do an update on this. We had the perfect sell here, perfect entry. As you can see, this kept selling. When I did the video, I think we were around these levels on an 18 RR pretty much. Well, we hit the 30 RR, and I'm hoping we can go a bit further and have a 42 RR trade. So for now, I'm holding partials here. I already took out most of the position, but well, I'm holding partial with stop loss at break even and trying to see if we can go lower. Let's see our trades. What else do we have here? Okay, here we have a sell on Euro USD, which is an unlikely trade because, of course, we know that Euro USD on higher time frame is very bullish. So taking a trade against the trend is always you have to always lower your risk, as it can, of course, go wrong. In this case, I was waiting for this level to hit to sell, and I also saw this level that could give a potential sell as well before hitting this one. So if we go back to the chart, you can see that these both levels are here. This is the second level I gave, where price moved and gave a nice reaction of about 30 pips, and the second level I had marked right here gave another 32 pips. Of course, we could have keep entering this trade because this was a very important area on higher time frames, but well, at one point it got broken, like you can see here. The idea behind this trade is basically that you can see a structure here. We have a swing low and a swing high. Below this low there is buy side liquidity, and above this high, below this low is sell side liquidity, and above this high buy side liquidity. We already targeted the sell side liquidity by making this low here, and now the next target was above this high. The only resistance or support we have from a smart money perspective was this last push up, taking out previous buy side liquidity. So that was my fundament for taking this trade, and well, we did a very good scalp here. Let's move on to the next one. Well, this trade was a very good trade, a US30 buy that I sent this morning. You can see that right now this trade is running 17 risk to reward ratio. The idea behind this trade, if we look at lower time frames, you can see that price is hitting an important level, which I previously marked on higher time frame, and then we go down and investigate what's the lower time frame structure doing. So in this case, you can see that we had a very good reaction at a key level on higher time frame here with this candle. So this means that smart money is absorbing liquidity because they are the only ones that can have such big reaction and impulses. So then we have another good reaction near to this previous one, but what is going on here? So here these two lows are forming relatively equal lows. This means that a lot of retailers or institutions are placing sell stops to catch a breakout to the downside or to get out of a buying position with their stop loss. So once they engineer this equal or double bottom, price target these levels to grab all the liquidity and then continue going higher. Of course, we used some divergences and strategies we teach in the academy to confirm this trade, and well, as you can see, it went pretty good. Right now US30 is closed between two trades, and well, this is an ideal scenario where you can edge one trade with another one. Well, I think that's it for the trades. Yeah, that's it for the trades. I forgot to mention, before this first reaction happened here, I had my buy limit a bit higher around these levels, as you can see here. Let's see. The entry was around 26,470, so pretty much around these levels here, which could have been a very good entry as well. But when I saw this first reaction, I knew the price would wanna go lower to take out these two equal lows. So then, as you can see here, I said that price gave a reaction near the level I was expecting to hit. I'm lowering the entry at around 26,457, around this level. Price hit this level and rallied up. So that's the review for this past trades. I hope you enjoyed it, and of course, if you want to do a step forward in your trading career, you can always join our academy using the link in the description. Until the next video, have a good day and a good trading week.